Hi everyone, how are you? Oh, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today it's Monday and we're going to do some magic mail. I've got lots of lovely magic mail to share with you. So join me at the side of the intro and we'll open it all up together. Hit it, maestro. Mondays and I love Magic Mail Mondays. Let's put my glasses on. But first, I'm going to show you my ears. Look. Blake, this is the second pair of ears he's made me. Hasn't he done well? They're Peter Pan ones. And he's done a different bow this time. Look at him. And this was my Mother's Day present off him. He made me some Peter Pan because he knows how much I love Peter Pan. I mean, they're amazing, aren't they? I mean, look. I'm so proud of him. In fact, we love them so much. Savannah, I'm not telling you this, so it's a secret. And she won't watch, so she won't know. Unless Blake tells her to. But she's asked him to make her a pair as well. So when we go away, when she's well enough to walk around, she'll have some Peter Pan ones as well. Because they're just plain. They're not over the top. And she likes sort of plain things, simple things. So aren't they fabulous? I love them, but she's not having mine. They're my Mother's Day present of my wonderful son. So, you know, thrilled. Oh, not as thrilled as I am about all this magic mail. I can't believe it. You know when I go to my PO box and there's things like this that I hadn't ordered and I wasn't expecting, and yeah. Kindness blows me away. There's absolutely no need for anyone to send me anything. Just friendship alone means more than anything to me. So the comments, I always reply. Sometimes it takes me a bit longer, so bear with me. I will always reply. Life happens, doesn't it? And sometimes you just don't get a chance to reply, but I always do. And that means everything to me. So to send me other items when there's no need, it's humbling. Is that the word? I'm very humbled. I'm incredibly grateful and I'm incredibly blessed. And yeah, I'm thrilled. So I've got to show you. So this is off. I can't believe when this came. It's a frame. It's a frame. And this is from Hoi Yin, and she sent me the beautiful diamond painting that's upstairs in my office. And she said she was doing another one, so I've got a feeling this might be that. So, should we have a look? When we were younger, we didn't know if we were on Santa's good list or naughty list. And you were so excited to see what you got, if you got anything. And that's what this is like. I can't believe you've done this. Hi Karen, I hope you're well. I've made this diamond painting for you. I do hope it gets to you all right. I'm pretty bad at packing. You're not Hoi Yin, it's perfect. There are some extra paper flowers to replace the crushed ones. If you go to my YouTube channel, I have made a 2-minute video talking about this picture for you. Oh, it took me ages to go out to shop for backing canvas with love, Hoi Yin. I don't know your YouTube channel. I'm going to just search your name, and if I find it, I'll link it down below so everyone can go and check you out. She's the nicest woman ever, and she always puts comments and we chat. We haven't really chatted, it's just comments, and she's such a lovely lady. And wait till you see what she sent me. Oh, I'm getting the shivers again. Okay, I'm getting, oh, not my ears. I am so humbled. Wait till you see what she sent me. It's just beautiful. It's beautiful. It's got to go in here. It's not going upstairs in the office. It's absolutely beautiful. Oh, I keep getting all the shivers down my back. You know, oh. She sent me all the extras so that if any bits fall off, I can replace them. And flowers, so I can replace the flowers. But look at this. Look at this. I really don't know what to say. Right, ready? Look at this. This is a diamond painting. This will have taken that long to have done. Look at it. It is. It's absolutely stunning. Can you see the frame? You must have done this, Hoi Yin. You must have put the black paint on and the gold, and she's put all the flowers around it, so it's very like Chinese, Japanese, which is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful isn't the right word. I don't know what the right word is. It's not, beautiful isn't sufficient enough. It really is not sufficient enough. This is mind-blowing. I cannot believe this. I really cannot believe this. This isn't going upstairs in the office. I want everyone to be able to see this. This is just it's breathtaking. It's utterly breathtaking. You've made me lost for words. And you know that doesn't happen. It's absolutely beautiful. The hours of work that you put into doing this diamond painting and you sent it to me. I am so touched. I am so touched. It's beautiful. The flowers around the border, and none of them have come off. They were all stuck on, none came off. The way you packed it was beautiful. It's just beautiful. Should we have another look? I don't know what to say. You know, when people do things like this and it's from the kindness of the heart and there's no need to do it, it makes you feel so incredibly special and so blessed and so humble, because I'm not worthy of this. This is beautiful. This is just beautiful. To send me this, yeah. Hoi Yin, thank you. I really can't thank you enough. I hope I get to meet you and give you the biggest hug ever. Biggest bear hug ever. I'll probably knock you over. It's just beautiful. I really don't know. I should have opened this last, shouldn't I? I mean, how do you follow on from this? Oh, it's amazing. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I've calmed down. I can't take any more excitement, so we're going to go on to pin mail. I can't do any more magic mail. I don't think my heart could stand it. These have come from the wonderful Candice. And I've had these a while and I just haven't opened them, and I've lost my little knife now. Now I've prepared myself. Found it again. Right, so let's start with the first one. I have been looking at these for ages and I've really wanted them, and I just suddenly thought, well, come on, Karen, let's just get these. These ones aren't expensive, they're just normal open editions. But I just think it's really fun. So they're glow in the dark, and it is, first of all, you've got Donald, Mickey and Minnie on a ride in Hong Kong. So look at that, look at them, they're on a ride buggy. Mystic Point. So that must be somewhere in Hong Kong, Disneyland, is it? Mystic Point it is, that's what it says on the back. So I'm guessing that'd be something like the haunted house, Mystic Point. Could be wrong. But isn't that lovely? And these glow in the dark. And these are just regular open edition pins. So there's that one. Then the next one, so you've got Goofy there, and as you can see, you can hook him on. It's like the snow, the dwarves mystery pins that I did. You got to hook that side, so you can join them all together. So you've got Goofy. You've then got here, whoop, Daisy. Doesn't she look sassy? Look at her there. She's so sassy even. She's waiting for Donald in the front, isn't she? Definitely. And then the last one is Minnie. This is the lovely Jamie, and he went to Disneyland Paris and he picked me up some pins. So, first one. Cheshire Cat, look at that baby Cheshire Cat. Isn't he lovely as a baby? Doesn't look quite so wicked as a baby, does he? Now this one, you're going to laugh your socks off at. You really are. Because it came and I thought, really? You know, sometimes they don't get the facial expressions right on the princesses. Right. No, to me, she looks like she's had a really long night, or she might be a little bit, you know, worse for wear. Look at the eyes on Rapunzel. Isn't that crazy? And these are the new Disney pins that have come out, the princess pins. And this was, well, they were €15.99, but you had to get an invitation to get them. And it's only 500 in the set. And this one is number 86 of 500, and that's what it looks like on the back. That's what I like about the Paris ones, it gives you a number. So down there you've got the number, but it's a lovely pin. It'll look lovely on my Rapunzel board, but seriously, those eyes, I mean, I don't know who commissioned those eyes, but that's the sort of thing that could give you nightmares, isn't it? Dear me, when I saw it, I was like, okay. And we move on. Oh, why do they do that? She looks like she's possessed. Seriously, she doesn't she? She looks possessed. Oh my, oh my. Right, next one, right. This is some beautiful pin mail, and this is some magic mail off the wonderful Vanessa. Vanessa, it has arrived. I'm so excited. I can't remember, did you put a card in there? Oh, I've opened it up, right. And I'm so thrilled. She messaged me and she said, have you got this from Karen? I said, no, I haven't. And she was so kind and she got this for me. And there was no need, Vanessa, but I'm thrilled. I'm really glad you did. Thank you. But there was no need, but thank you. It's one of them, isn't it? You mustn't, but thanks. But look, it's lovely. It's Walt, and it's got all the different Mickeys around him. Oh, isn't that lovely? And you all know how I feel about Walt. So yeah, so I'm really thrilled. I'm very touched. Thank you, Vanessa. And then on the back, you've got the Disney pin logo. You've got the fact number, and you've got made in China. It's a black back, well, it's like a pewter grey, isn't it? But stunning. So yeah, so I'm absolutely thrilled with that. So thank you so much, Vanessa. Thank you. You should not, but I'm so glad you did. Right, so I'm so naughty. I'm unencourageable. Yeah, unencourageable. Right, pin mail off Vicky. Vixxen Lost in Disney. We did a trade. Coco puzzle pieces. I have now got the last piece of my set. I have now completed Coco, so I'll put a photo in just here. And that was the last piece I was missing. So we traded, so isn't that fabulous? So I'm so thrilled. So now I've completed Coco, the Tangled and the Cinderella. I might have just like placed my order for the ones. I can't quite remember. My brain. Oh, I need a cup of tea. That's what I need. Of course I haven't, Phil. Woo! Right, so then, last one. This is the lovely James over at Palz. Oh, he's put me a note. I'll read this out to you. I know it probably wasn't meant to be read out, James, but it's a nice note. It says, hello Karen. First I'd like to say, sorry for how long these pins took to come to you. It really wasn't his fault. He got them through somebody and then they sent them to him. So that's absolutely fine. And thank you for being so patient. As you read this, I probably am getting your goodie box together. James and I are doing a box swap. We are. And I have now got 3 things for him. I won't say how many items, but 3 things. So yeah, so I've got to up my game and start looking for something else. Well, I've got 4 technically, if you count the card. I made a card. So yeah, James is hard to buy for. So anyone got any ideas? Send me tips. I'll link his channel down below. Go and watch him. He's lovely. He's getting so funny now. He's got two little girls, Celine and Kira, and they're so beautiful. And his partner Taylor, and she does videos with him as well as the girls. And they're just lovely, really lovely. Go and watch him. He does pin unboxings and he has like 10 boxes at a time. He's crazier than me, if that's possible. But he's a really, really lovely man. So go and check him out. I can't wait for you to receive it. So happy we're friends. Be on the lookout for a Palz pin in your box. Oh, he's going to put me one of his pins. He's had pins made for his channel and they're lovely. So yeah, so that's coming up. That's when I finished his box and posted it. But anyway, that's coming up. So these are the ones he got me. And I'm so thrilled. This is the last ones to go on my Sleeping Beauty board. Now these were from the pin event. And James didn't get to go, so he got these through his Californian pickup was going, so he asked her to fetch them for him. And I actually got 2. I've got a spare one, so I've got another trader for Epcot. I'm working so hard on my traders. I'm hoping I can maybe get something really special when I'm there. That's the plan. But yeah, look, I've got the 3 fairies. It was the pass holder one. It's a limited edition pass holder one, but I've got the 3 fairies with the cake. Isn't that beautiful? And let's have a look at the back of it. And it is Sleeping Beauty's 60th. It's a limited edition of just 1,000. So yeah, and he was able to get me one from his pickup that was going to the event in Anaheim, because the event in Walt Disney World where Beth went didn't have this pin. It was only at Anaheim. So yeah, I'm really pleased with that, because that's the cake, isn't it? So that's beautiful. So yeah, and then I've got another one here all wrapped up, ready to go with my traders. So thanks James, thank you so much. So that's it. So that's all my pin mail for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have, and with the kindness that's been shown from both Hoi Yin and from Vanessa. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this, the subscribe button's coming at the end of the video. If you haven't already, please click subscribe and click the notification bell, and that way then YouTube will let you know when I've posted a new video. And then it's up to you if you want to watch it or not. I try and do different things on the channel, so we mix it up a bit and have a bit of fun. But thanks so much. Thanks for watching. Be good, be kind, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you really soon. Bye for now, everyone. Bye.